How you doing? This is a quick video how to fix this error message that you get in Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library. So now I've been having this issue for like the past couple of hours, and I've been trying to diagnose it and fix it. I've tried a couple of different options. One of the options that I've tried is when you go down here and you type in command and you get into the command run as administrator, and then you get into the black screen where you can type in a code, and you type in the code increase user VA 2800. And I tried it a couple of times, and I'm finding that that doesn't work for me. So I fixed it on a laptop that I have down there. So I'm going to show you live in real time how to fix it on your own computer. It doesn't have anything to do with that command or anything like that. It didn't work for me. What it has to do with it has to do with the AC adapter, the battery, and the uh, the brightness in the display. So what I did is I just go down. This is Windows 10. Go down to the folder, double click on that, wait for that to come up in the corner. Right click on this PC, click manage. This is not the fastest laptop in the world, so bear with me. And then again, I just started it. It's been sitting for like 3 weeks. All right, there we go. So now you want to go into device manager. Damn, this is slow. Jeez. All right, so now you want to go into display adapters. And when you go into display adapters, you want to right click it on the ATI mobility, and you want to uninstall device. It's going to ask you if you want to uninstall it. Do not click that, just click uninstall. So now what it's going to do is it's going to remove the driver from the computer. It's going to adjust your screen, so it's going to look like you just did something crazy to it. Leave it alone, X out, X out, and restart the PC. So what happens is, since we didn't click that box, it didn't completely remove the driver from the system. The system still has the driver in it, but when you restart it, it's going to catch that driver, reinstall it, because it knows that it's missing now. It's going to reinstall it, and it should fix the problem. Let's see. So with this, it shows up right on startup. So if it's fixed, it won't show up. If it's still an issue, it's going to show right up on startup. Yeah, like I said again, this is a fresh install of, well, I didn't say this before. This is a fresh install of Windows 10, and then I haven't ran it in about 3 weeks. So, remind me in 3 days. All right, so as you can see, the box is not there. And another way you can tell if it's actually really fixed is to take out the AC adapter. If the box doesn't pop up, you fixed it. All right, that's all. Have a good one.